Chicken bhuna is a popular Indian curry known for its rich and flavorful tomato-based sauce. Here's a basic recipe to make chicken bhuna at home. Adjust the spices and ingredients according to your taste preferences. Ingredients. For marination: 500 grams chicken, bone-in, cut into pieces. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. For the Bhuna Masala: 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 green chilies, slit. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 bay leaf. 2-3 cloves. 2-3 green cardamom pods. 1-inch cinnamon stick. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon paprika, for color. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade and coat them evenly. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but longer is better. Overnight is ideal, in the refrigerator. 2. Cook the chicken. Heat the vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pan or kadaih over medium-high heat. Add the cumin seeds, bay leaf, cloves, green cardamom pods, and cinnamon stick. Sauté for a minute until the spices release their aroma. Add the finely chopped onions and green chilies. Cook until the onions turn golden brown, stirring occasionally. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts to separate from the masala. Now, add the marinated chicken along with the marinade to the pan. Cook on high heat for about 5-7 minutes, stirring frequently to sear the chicken. Reduce the heat to medium, cover the pan, and let the chicken cook for about 15-20 minutes, or until it's tender and fully cooked. You may need to add a little water if the gravy becomes too dry. 3. Spice it up. Add ground coriander, ground cumin, garam masala, paprika, and salt to taste. Mix well and let it simmer for another 5-7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. 4. Garnish and serve. Once the chicken is cooked and the sauce has thickened to your liking, remove the pan from heat. Garnish the chicken bhuna with fresh coriander leaves. 5. Serve. Chicken bhuna pairs well with steamed rice, naan, or roti. Enjoy your homemade chicken bhuna. Remember, you can adjust the spice levels to suit your taste. If you prefer it spicier, you can add more red chili powder or green chilies. Conversely, if you prefer a milder dish, reduce the amount of chili powder and skip the green chilies.